Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the server so files are not locked. Open the server's view and issue a stop, then confirm the JVM process is gone. Once stopped, close any web projects that reference the server so Eclipse releases workspace links. Make sure to copy server XML and context files from your Tomcat conf directory. This preserves custom ports, users, and context bindings, which you may need later when reconfiguring or migrating to a new runtime. Once you've backed up configs, remove the server entry, right-click in server's view and delete, and opt to remove associated resources if you want a clean workspace. Next, go to Preferences, right arrow Server, right arrow Runtime Environments, and delete the Tomcat runtime so Eclipse stops offering that runtime for new projects. Also check Project Explorer for the auto-created server project named like Tomcat VX. Y server at localhost and delete it. To finish, remove any external Tomcat home references in your system path or Eclipse launch configurations so you don't accidentally relink. Then restart Eclipse, use the clean option if you see cached server entries, and confirm server's view and runtime environments show no Tomcat. If things go wrong, delete the workspace metadata for servers. Close Eclipse, remove metadata /plugin/org, Eclipse, WSD, server, core from your workspace, and restart. This clears stubborn entries, but make sure you have backups because it removes server state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.